as Mumbai reports 100 COVID cases for the second day in a row, CM Uddhav Thackeray has now appealed to people to use face masks when outdoors and follow all COVID protocols. Maharashtra Chief Minister's appeal comes a month after the state lifted mandatory masking rule. Thackeray's call came after he held a review meeting with top administrative officials in view of the rising coronavirus cases in the state. Now, it's not just Mumbai, of course, but also in Maharashtra that COVID cases have seen an uptick, which is the reason why. Remember, it's very important for us to tell the viewers that there is no mandatory masking rule being brought back in Maharashtra just yet. That's what we've seen several other states doing, several other cities also doing. But currently, there's no mandatory masking rule being brought back in Maharashtra. That's very important to point out. But Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has in fact issued an appeal saying that people who are going outdoors should mask up, follow all COVID protocols. Sandeep is joining me on this. Sandeep, it's a bit confusing for people. A month back, the mandatory masking rule was was lifted by Maharashtra. The cases in Maharashtra are rising, but not as high as we've seen in Delhi NCR. And at this point in time, the government has still not said that masking should be mandatory once again. But it's an appeal. How, under what circumstances has Maharashtra CM made this appeal? What went down in that meeting with district officials and top health officials yesterday?
See, as far as the meeting is concerned, remember there was a meeting held between Prime Minister and the Chief Minister, post which concerns were raised in regards of increasing COVID numbers. We spoke to the Health Minister Rajesh Tope. He said that the cases in Maharashtra are increasing, but comparatively to other states, we are very low. So yesterday a meeting was also held between the district collectors and Chief Minister, wherein he has appealed the district collectors to maximize on vaccination and make sure that people, wear masks in public places. But he has not made it mandatory. Although, there is a cabinet meeting today in Maharashtra, and in the same sequence, we will have to see whether any kind of such, mask mandatory decision is taken by the cabinet or not. But so far there are, yesterday, as Rajesh Tope indicated, that we are thinking or we are planning to bring mask mandate in public places. But so far it doesn't seem that government will be taking such decision. Although we will have to wait for the state cabinet today, and we will have to see whether the government takes any kind of such move to make mask mandate in public places or not.
So that cabinet meeting is going to be important. Sandeep there, thank you so much. We'll track all developments on this with you.